Another question on the exam was about reusing existing content. I'm not exactly sure what the question actually was, but I will show you what I know. Of course, you know that you can copy an existing object and that will reuse existing content. Another way you can do that another way you can use content is to make blocks, save them, and then reuse them. For instance, let's make a block out of this. So we go to the block window. We go to the right at the top where it says create. One of the things that we have not learned yet, we didn't do yet in this semester, was to pick a point for the block. So we should do that now. Let's call it a circle. And we're going to specify on screen to pick the point. And then we're going to specify on the screen to select objects. So let's go OK. We're picking the point. And now we're going to select the object. And then I'm going to right click and it's done. So to show you that we made a block out of that, we are going to go and insert this block, not by copying it, but by coming up here to the top of the block window, going to insert, hit the button. Okay, so it shows us some that are already in it, so we can scroll down to find what we want to put in and see how the last object is the one we made. So I'm going to click on that and see how the insertion point is in the center. So like I can hover over this and put it right on top of the other one or anywhere else that I choose. So that is a way to use reusable content in AutoCAD.